Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing a minimal, runnable project. Install JDK 17 Plus, pick Maven or Gradle, and open your IDE. Once done, create a new project with clear package names, then add dependencies for an HTTP client, JSON parsing, and logging so you can call model APIs and process responses. Initialize a Git repo and commit a simple main class. Make sure to store API keys in environment variables or a local config, not hard-coded, so you can safely call a chatbot backend. You now implement the core: parse incoming text, classify intent, and maintain conversation state. Start with a lightweight tokenizer and intent matcher, then create a dialog manager that routes intents to handlers. Integrate the model via an API client using asynchronous HTTP, JSON mapping, and retry logic so requests are resilient. Once internal flows are wired, write unit tests for common and failure paths. This ensures your state transitions and response formatting are correct before you proceed to deployment and user testing. You finish by packaging and deploying. Build a JAR or Docker image, expose health endpoints, and run in staging. Make sure API keys are managed securely through environment variables or a secret store, enable rate limiting, and add structured logs and metrics so you can observe behavior. Validate end-to-end flows with real user prompts. If requests fail, check logs and increase HTTP timeouts first. Often the issue is network latency or missing headers. Finally, iterate on prompts and intent rules to improve responses.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.